Hello, and welcome to the Funeral Program site. In this video, we will be featuring our In Loving Memory Funeral Guest Book. Our generic funeral guest books are hardbound and are offered in two sizes of 8x8 or 8x10. You can choose from our matte velvet touch or high gloss finishes. It is also available in your choice of any pastel colors. The front cover provides our In Loving Memory word art, accented by a small heart and elegantly presented in our popular handwritten font. The inside of the book is lined in white and offers fill-in pages for you to personalize. This special funeral guest book is especially tailored to capture special memories for your loved one's celebration of life service. The inside pages include registry pages for up to 500 attendees, service information, guest messages, special remembrances, and note pages, each separated by our lovely funeral quote word art sectionals. The Funeral Program site offers the largest selection of personalized funeral guest books anywhere online. We offer a variety of sizes, styles, and designs for use at all services and serves as a memorial keepsake. Check out our selection today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.